Hello there, my name is Bloodquake. I'm going to teach you guys how to mod Minecraft via the Curseforge launcher. All you really have to do is go to curseforge.overwolf.com, click download for Windows, it'll download the file. I recommend saving this to desktop. Once you've downloaded your Curseforge, you click installer, come to your little taskbar down here. You should see on the right, the little taskbar, the little arrow. You see the little arrow? You click the arrow, yeah. Then you click Curseforge, you can open up that way, or the alternative method is clicking Overwolf. It'll open this up, and then you click Curseforge. So, now you've installed Curse, you should see this page. You can see which games you got installed on your computer, and what mod packs they have for it. Currently they have Minecraft and a bunch of other mod packs. To select which mod pack you want, you go to Browse Mod Pack, and you generally select whichever one you want. Currently the Pixelmon mod pack is pretty damn popular, so you click Install. It'll start the download process for it. You can go back to my mod packs now. That's where you want to be. You should see it does that. It's got 7 mods for Pixelmon. Very simple. So once your mod pack is installed, for example the Pixelmon mod pack right now, all you really have to do is go, when you open the thing up, you go from home, click Minecraft again, you scroll down to Pixelmon mod pack, and you click play. It'll open up the Minecraft launcher. What's very important here is you make sure your profile is set to the mod pack name. For example, the Pixelmon mod pack. You do not want to be on latest release for this version of Minecraft that's been installed via Overwolf Curseforge, and to simply play your mod pack now, you click play. It'll give you a warning like it usually does these days, and you click play. Your game will load up, your mod pack will be running, and you'll be done modding Minecraft.